Nityanandam,
Nityanam.
after this beautiful story, we will now have a few participants coming today and sharing their experience of the Parashakti Akashic reading given by Devi herself manifesting through the Nijavatara, the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, Jagadguru Mahasinnidhanam, His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Nityananda Paramshiva. So, we have the first participant, Kiran Vakaji. Nityanandam?
Nityanamaya.
Nityanandamaya.
So, Aya, um,
Your
could you
voice
please
is,
share?
yeah.
Am I audible? Yes. So, could you please share with all our viewers about how you first met Swamiji? What was your first experience with Swamiji? Which programs did you do with him? And if any personal experience which you feel would be helpful for our viewers, could you please share?
Sure,
And
yeah.
please also share about yourself first.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Kiran Vaka.
Yes. So, where are you from, Aya?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay. What do you do, Aya?
I used to work in a corporate company. I used to work for Dell, but now with Swamiji's blessing, I've started my own startup company. I've come to Swamiji actually because of financial problems. When I came in 2018, I had huge financial problems. So I was watching YouTube videos of Swamiji and I saw wealth consciousness video, and that's how I connected. And later I saw the video of you are your own boss. That's how got connected. And one of the Adinavasi has connected me to Hyderabad Adina. The moment I
Yeah.
started going over there, it was literally like meeting your own family. Everybody are so welcoming over there, and from there onwards there was no looking back. Blessing after blessing, and I didn't expect that from that kind of financial situations. I didn't expect that I'll start my own company. This all happened only because of Swamiji's blessings, and it was I can't even say it's a dream. It was like wildest dream that I'll start my own company. And I should tell you that when Swamiji blesses, not just beings, even non-living things will also start communicating. See, when I've done my Pada Puja, I requested Swamiji to bless our company. From that time onwards, even without our interference, everything happens beautifully in our company. We never interfere and we never plan to do it in a particular way, but that itself will take a decision. Sometimes we don't understand why this happened at that moment, but later we understand that whatever has happened is happening in a beautiful way. That's when it's not just us. It's, even if Swamiji blesses a company, you just don't need to. It will take care of itself. That's my experience. Yeah,
Wow.
and I
So,
have done.
Aya,
Yeah,
you started as in a company. You are in a company. You are employed, and when you met Swamiji, you have decided to start your own company. Is that it?
right. I mean, like, see, I didn't even like. I That was not the plan actually. The offer came to me out of the blue. It came, and suddenly I've taken a decision of joining my friends. And as I said, when I was, I mean, like before lockdown, I asked for a blessing so that I mean, like the lockdown was not planned in the month of May. I mean, the month of March last year, the Paramashivoham was about to start. I asked Swamiji, please bless me so that I'll get leave for 21 days and I'll attend. And Swamiji gave leave till now that I am attending all the programs along doing with my office work just by sitting at home.
Wow.
So, yeah, as you are sharing, it's really very enthusiastic for us to also go through the experience as you are sharing, to live the moments. And I also recollect my memories from past, how Swamiji guided each one of us step by step, hand holding us um, like a like a child, I should say.
Right.
So, would you be able to share something of how you step by step, Swamiji took you to the next level, going towards how the Devi's Akashic reading actually
Yeah.
helped you where you are
Yeah.
today. How,
Right.
like, step by step, Swamiji guided us from where we are. we might think when first time when we meet Swamiji, we might think that we need a certain thing. But then Swamiji upgrades our maturity so that we are able to ask for the right thing. And how was the journey for you? Maybe you could please share with all our viewers.
Sure, yeah. So when Swamiji says that your inner cognition should be like Paramashiva, you are Paramashiva. I experience that in each and every day, in each and every moment. Because I am also into life coaching. Yeah? I coach people about how to live and all I've learned from Swamiji. I want to enrich everyone. When I'm looking at people, I know when they are not able to do few things and when they are not able to realize, I can absolutely feel that everybody are Paramashiva. It is just that cognition shift that happens, and I mean, like even this problem was there since years together. I have been suffering from 15 years. I was trying to meditate, but that was not possible. But with this one shift of when Swamiji said, "You are Paramashiva," you don't need to know that by default. That's the reason why you're able to see, you're able to smell, because Paramashiva is inside you. Now when I'm talking to people, when I relate to people, I now understand how easy it is to just have that shift, that one cognition. I don't think nothing else is needed after this realization from inside that I am Paramashiva. Whatever is happening is just an experience. If I look my life from that cognition, life is just blissful. Oh, all this has happened through the journey in the last 2 years of looking at Swamiji's programs, YouTube videos, attending Paramashiva and Darshan. And even before 15 days, when I asked for blessing for Akashic reading, and Swamiji said, I asked for the blessings of those life teaching classes. Swamiji said, I will speak through you. Amma said, I will speak through you to the word. Now, whoever calls me saying that I have this issue, I don't know, somehow the solution comes out. Then I understand it is Amma who's speaking from inside.
Yes. So Devi herself is now manifesting through you, through that
Right.
blessings.
Exactly.
And such a beautiful story, yeah. So you were in a job 15 years, you were struggling, and past 2 years, you have become your own boss.
Right.
So I also, using this opportunity, want to invite all our viewers. So the Kailasas SPH Nityananda YouTube channel is not just a YouTube channel, is
Right.
a energy center for whatever need you have in your life. You are searching for your good relationship, you are searching for finance, you are searching for health, wealth, relationships, peace, meditation, yoga, everything is there. So just go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to Kailasas SPH Nityananda YouTube channel. And you can search in its all the playlist. There are 10,000 plus videos there in which you can find videos on meditation, videos on food, the types of Nirahar Sinyamas, Krishnaram, and multiple ways you can do the Nirahar Sinyamas, multiple meditation technologies, multiple powerful cognitions. It is like a huge ocean in which you can take a dip, and you will never have come empty handed. Every time you take a dip in that, you will come out with pearls. So yeah, you have come out with the pearl of this. Be your own pearl. Yeah.
Manifesting, not just be your own boss of the cosmos, I should say.
This powerful cognition, clicking that you are Param Shiva, this is the biggest cognition that click that anyone can have. And how it helped you in your life to prepare yourself to receive Devi and her blessings.
Right. So this cognition now, as I said, now I am not worried about what it is going to be tomorrow, what it is going to be later. I am just looking at it from from broader picture. If you look at it, it is just an experience which we are going through. When everybody realizes the same, whoever are undergoing the pain right now, when they know that I am Paramashiva, I am the spiritual person in physical body, you just look at that. Problem is not actually a problem. That is just an experience. All this has come through. Amma's blessing is what I feel today.
Amazing, yeah. So, if you had to,
Your voice is not audible.
yes, yeah.
Yeah, I think you have received not one but two blessings by Devi. Is it
It's
correct?
three, yeah, it's three.
Three. Oh my
Recently
God.
one more. Yeah, I
So
love
when was the
cows
latest?
actually. Yeah,
Huh.
second one, I love being with cows actually. And when I came to Bangalore, I saw that poster that Swamiji's dream is to have 5,000 cows and all. Oh, from that time onwards, I wanted to be a part of that. So I just asked Swamiji to bless me so that I can be a part of Hyderabad Adinam Goshala. So Swamiji blessed me that yes, I will bless you so that you will serve the cows. And I think that is the best blessing which I've got till now. I love to be around the cows.
So just a small question I had actually. Yeah. So
I know
when
your
you
voice
first
is
met,
not again
yeah. So
audible.
I had just a small question actually. So when you first time met Swamiji in 2018, did you ever imagine that you would want to have a Goshala, or you would want to have and you would have actually?
No, not at all. Not at all. No, I mean,
So when
like,
you look,
I had that love towards cows, but I didn't know that it will manifest in such a beautiful way.
so when you look back and look at your journey for the past couple of years, how do you think that the maturity of the being has happened of what we even ask Devi for?
Right. I mean, like, it's like this. A small kid goes and asks in a shop that I want to pick up something. Then he says, if I pick up, I will get only a little bit because my hands are small. But when you give, the shopkeeper gives, his hands will be very big. Oh, it's like that. Whatever we are asking is very small. But when Devi gives, it is like flood. I mean, she showers love. She
Yes.
showers everything. That's like that. You just go down in front of Amma Devi and everything she will take care.
Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful.
Really amazing.
So, anything else you want to add and you want to share with our viewers how they can manifest the space with which can receive Devi's blessings and manifest the whatever blessed as a truth as a reality in their life?
Yeah. Sometimes, dude, I mean, as we are living in this materialistic world, sometimes we are confused and we go to that low phase. But what I felt after coming to Swamiji and Amma is like just be in that space. That's enough. They will take care. A guru, even if you are running behind something materialistic things, even without knowing the importance of spirituality, just being with this in the space of guru, everything will fall in place. Whatever you will come to a cognition that whatever is happening beautifully. You don't need to worry at all. That's what that's how I live my every moment now. I want to tell this to every devotee. Just be in that space. Everything will manifest beautifully.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah, that was a really inspiring sharing.
Yes. Thank you so much for coming, Aya,
Thank you.
and sharing your
Thank you.
experience with our viewers.
Thank you.
So, we had Sri Kiran Wakaji. He's a life coach and he's from Hyderabad. He was sharing his experience, how he met Swamiji 2 years ago. And from then, he has not only manifested his own company, and he has also been successful and blessed by 3 Akashic readings by Devi. Yes.